Hello and welcome to B&M Sports Cards Topps 2012 Magic Hobby Box Break. I'd like to thank everybody that's in it. I have the names listed here in alphabetical order. I'm going to copy them. I'm going to paste them into the randomizer. Here they all are. I am going to randomize it 3 times. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Alright, I'm going to copy this in, and we are going to put it back into the spreadsheet here. Paste. Okay, you can see that's the random ones. Now I have the teams over here. I'm going to do the same thing with them. Copy. Let me get a new list. I'm going to paste the teams in alphabetical order. I'm going to randomize this 3 times. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Paste this into the spreadsheet and match people up. Paste. Okay, so what we've got here. Card Bros, Dallas Cowboys. Everlasting Base, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Lay Mady, Oakland Raiders. DSF, New England Patriots. DSF, Indianapolis Colts. Caligamus, Redskins. Caligamus Redskins. Enlor Becky, Chargers. Lay Mady, Jets. Graybeard, Bills. Lay Mady, Eagles. Bry Guy, Bengals. Y-Stretch, 49ers. NFL Browns, Vikings. 70 Jet, Jaguars. NFL Browns, Panthers. Card Bros, Falcons. B-Beard, Ravens. B-Beard, Rams. Y-Stretch, Broncos. Hillbilly, Steelers. DSF, Chiefs. DSF, Seahawks. Hillbilly, Saints. DSF, Lions. Card Bros, Giants. Graybeard, Dolphins. Hillbilly, Bears. Graybeard, Titans. Enlor Becky, Cardinals. Caligamus, Texans. Card Bros, Packers. Bry Guy, Browns. Alright guys, good luck to everybody. 3 autos per box. I don't remember how many relics. Had a pretty decent break last time. Out of the way. Forte, Matthews, first pack, first auto. Juron Kreiner, Oakland Raiders. Supernatural Stars, Welker, Babin Mini. Williams, Bradshaw, Pettigrew. Kendall Wright, Sanu, McGahee, Magical Moments, Saints, Witten Mini, Chris Rainey, Jennings, Des Bryant. Ballard, James, White, Daniels, Mini Curley, Breeze, Hester, and Jim Brown. Roberts, Tannehill and Rookie Enchantment. Pierre Paul Mini, Ben Tate, Rogers, Dre Kirkpatrick. Rice, Smith, Mendenhall, Supernatural, Peterson, Wright, Rice, Sanders, Doug Martin. Romo, Wayne, Smith, Miller, Minnie Allen, Moore, Cam Newton, Eric Decker. Josh Gordon, Nick Toon, Russell Wilson, Akimura, Casey, Allen, Starks, DeMarcus Ware. Claiborne, Mike Williams, Lynch, Magical Moments, Eli, Tannehill, Mini, serial numbered 47/50. Reed, Bailey, Fleener. Tebow, Jones Drew, Chandler Harnish, Auto, Colts. No cereal. Supernatural Stars, Victor Cruz, Tate, Spiller, Fuller, Richardson. Robert Griffin III, Noshawn Moreno, Vernon Davis, Toby Gerhart, a mini black border Fitzgerald, Jamal Charles, Poe, Clay Matthews. Garcon, Titus Young, Jackson, Kenny Britt, Jermaine Kearse, Still, Peed, Allen. Mark Barron, Kreiner, Stafford, Magical Moments, DeMarco Murray, Worthy, Best, Quick, Jenkins. Ingram, Wallace, Richardson, Supernatural Stars, Von Miller, Fuller, Worthy, Jackson, Macklin. Flowers, Matt Moore, Brandon Whedon, Rookie Enchantment, McCluster, Smith, Thomas, and Givens. Cousins, Graham, Tannehill, I don't know what subset that is, Henderson, Lance Kendricks, Joe Montana, Chandler Harnish, Calvin Johnson. Colston, Turbin, McCoy, Charismatic Combos, Rogers and Jennings, Cutler, Rainey, Kelly, Harris, Jacory. Reuben Randall, Miles Austin, another auto, Travis Benjamin, Cleveland Browns. Supernatural Stars, AJ Green, Janoris Jenkins, Hayward Bay, Chris Polk, Devier Posey. Cruz, Tebow, AJ Jenkins, Rookie Enchantment, James Starks, Gore, Hawk, Brown. Matt Ryan, Laurent Robinson, Raji, Akimura, Mini, Bart Scott, Urlacher, Darren Sproles. Williams, Fitzgerald, Tony Gonzalez, Charismatic Combos, Cam Newton, Steve Smith, Laurinaitis, Gabbert, Hightower, Hakeem Nicks. T.Y. Hilton, Bush, Preston, Supernatural Stars Bradshaw, Flowers, Ford, DeCastro, Pierce. Hillis, Hill, Adams, Magical Moments, Jared Allen, Fitzgerald, Olson, Cutler, Hernandez. Ingram, Jones, Agnew, Steve Young, Lamar Miller, Beanie Wells, Andre Johnson, Brock Osweiler. Last pack. Jones Drew, Griffin III, and Mark Barron, Rookie Enchantment. Moreno, Palmer, Keller, and Childs. Alright, let's look at the hits. Mark Barron, Rookie Enchantment. A.J. Jenkins, Rookie Enchantment. Travis Benjamin, Auto. Brandon Whedon, Rookie Enchantment. Chandler Harnish, Quarterback, Colts. Tannehill, 47/50, Mini. Tannehill, Rookie Enchantment. And Juron Kreiner, Oakland Raiders. Alright guys, those that paid for the base cards, we'll get those to ready, and those that got hits, congratulations, and we'll send those out. Stay tuned to our next break. I think we have one more box of Magic, and then we're going to move on to baseball. So thanks for all that got in it, and we hope to see you soon.